protect girls. Protect your team. It's blowing hot. Teams flipping over. We sending the plane. Yeah. The plane line. Make a little concise for us. Keep it out, It's the morning off.
Guys, Irma is on her way to the Bahamas. She's gonna be here between today and tomorrow. Why am I parked outside my work? Why am I outside my job? Why? Why am I not home preparing for the hurricane? If someone could answer that question for me, that would be very, very nice. Just got by my mom's house. Y'all can't see me, but the breeze already started. Looks like dead, nice and cool. It ain't too breezy, but it's breezy. It's after 5 a.m. and I just went to drop Tiro to the bus stop for work, for the hotel bus. So yeah, we'll see how it is later on. Hey guys, so today is Friday, September the 8th. And as you can see, I have on the raincoat from Niagara Falls. The weather already changed, like the wind starting to pick up, and I'm just taking the round one trip to my mom's house, dropping off Yara and some stuff. I just pray people will be cautious on this road because they just go crazy when it's raining, and when it's hurricane they just go extra crazy. But yeah, it's the first trip. It's after 10 a.m. and right now it's raining lightly. Not too hard, thank God, but it's raining lightly. Roads are wet. Some people look like they're driving around fast and panicking and trying to get things done before the hurricane comes. So yeah. So the car could have this, everybody getting their last minute gas and stuff, y'all. But they putting up these things, so I don't know if that's because they putting more gas in there, they running out of gas. I don't even know why they have these barricade things, not barricades, but you know what I mean, the cones there.
I think they only want a certain amount of people in.
Yeah, because last year guys, last year was crazy. The people were like fighting to get in line to get gas and stuff, so that's probably why they have the cone. I just remember that. They just remind me about the amount of people inside the gas yard. But traffic, it ain't looking too bad with traffic building up on the road. And the good part about it, people learn from Matthew, because the government was like clearing down some trees and bushes and stuff, like just getting things out of the way what they know could probably break down and blow around and stuff and drop on people's houses or whatever. Still have a lot of trees because it's an island, but you know, they still took some precaution. But yeah, let me focus. I'm trying to get no accident. Whoa, I don't know what that was, but when I come in this way again, I go on in it. Okay, so it's an hour later. It's going on 11 o'clock a.m. and I already made the second round, me and Vante. I fold down my seats in the back and just park it in the back there up with like his game. And other stuff with like reading. Skater. I put his game and like certain clothing or whatever we don't want to risk staying in the apartment, because we couldn't pack everything. We couldn't bring everything here by my mommy house, but we brought a good amount of stuff. Well, inside the house we have like stuff that we need every day on a daily basis, but we can't come outside to get. And then in the car in the back there we have my nails coming off and stuff, guys. But yeah, in the car in the back there we have like, just like I say, stuff that we don't want to risk keeping inside the apartment. There are other stuff there that we hope, you know, won't get messed up, but if it gets messed up we can't really do anything about it. Tira have to go, she's at work, she have to go to the apartment later, I guess, to check on everything, make sure I do another sweep through. to make sure she got all the important stuff, and then she'll be coming here. And yeah, my mommy at work, Tira at work. They both work over Atlantis, Paradise Island, but they get off around 12. Well, my mom gets off at 12. I think Tira probably, or maybe 1. And the other persons who are volunteering to help with the tourists and the guests and all of that stuff, they are staying over there with them, obviously. And yeah, but everybody else who's not volunteering, who has to go home and prepare and stuff, be home in time, they get off around, like they get off early. And whoever was scheduled for like in the night, they obviously don't go into work. But yeah, this is officially day 1, Friday. It's pretty calm. You still have persons working on the outside. Some people so last minute, but I guess some people couldn't do things anyways. But yeah, persons outside like still cutting down trees, putting up shutters. Some people don't, like my mom's on. All of hers aren't on. Half of the house has it up already, but the other half doesn't. I guess she doesn't want it to be so dark in there. And then I guess like in a few hours they'll put the rest on, but they only slide on anyway. Like they slide on and then you just screw it, because she invested in those shutters. But some persons who don't have those, they get boards and just do it up. Our apartment doesn't have anything because our landlord is not worth the split ends that I cut off every other month. Okay, but we won't get into that. Even the bird's gone. Okay guys, so what time is it?
I look mastery. It's 7:20.
Okay y'all, so we did this so that if the wind gets really bad, it wouldn't like turn over and break. So don't think the wind did that. But yeah, I have Chico outside peeing. Don't go that way. Me and Philly outside. Kiara just came following us. And the wind pick up. See Philly over there. In a hurricane look.
They always look like this stuff.
But yeah,
smash.
the wind picking up. You can see the trees like blowing. I don't know if you can hear the wind. Hurry up, Chico. Chico! But yeah. I swear.
Come take us.
Oh, I get blown away.
Chico, we go.
Chico! I go on the side, y'all. I go on the side.
Bye.
So, we are waiting on Irma. And they said, making jello.
We finished.
Jello!
Sponsor us. We finished making.
Y'all like the jello? Y'all like that? Hey.
But yeah, it's after, what time it is?
It's after 8.
After
It's
8.
going to 9 o'clock.
Yeah, going at 9 p.m. And right now, it's not like as windy. Like, it's windy, but it ain't like beating on the... Wrong with this girl? It ain't beating on the window or nothing, so we good.
My left hand.
Yeah, Irma, she thinks she's doing something big, boy. Where did you see us up? The jello.
Then stir again.
So it's after 2 p.m. and it's not like super wind or anything, super breezy. Everything calmed down. And yeah, still have the shutters on and everything. We're not really like, no one's outside driving around or anything. At least I don't see anyone driving around here. I hope she go outside. He's gonna pee. Okay, so some of them just drive past. But yeah, I have my car parked up close to the house. We didn't want to park it in the back of the yard because that usually floods, but we didn't have a lot of rain, as much rain. So thank God. Okay, it sounds like the wind picked back up when I came inside, so I take that back. It's on and off. You can hear like the stuff shaking outside. At least I don't know if you can hear it. I can hear it. Well, look who's back to work. Thank God I even am able to come to work like right after a hurricane like that, because well, obviously we weren't hit, so thank God for that. The southern islands, the outer islands, they got hit more, so they experienced a lot more flooding and stuff like that. Certain parts of Nassau, like the water started to come up, those persons who live closer to the sea, but other than that, we were blessed enough to not suffer any damages like that. We barely had any like water, any rain, but we had a lot of wind. That's about it. So I'm thankful for that, but I kind of wish that the hurricane would have just dissipated, because all of those other countries who suffered and are still suffering, you know, it's kind of sad. So I don't even know what to say, except that I'm grateful, but at the same time, I feel for like the other countries who weren't lucky enough to, I guess, be spared. So yeah, I'm just here trying to get everything back in order, because I don't even have a computer. Everything is in here, so just getting in, settling in. And that's basically the vlog, if this even goes up. So if this is up, then yeah. But yeah, that's basically the vlog. That's how things were for us, or at least for me in this island, Nassau. I don't know exactly how a person's experiences were in the other islands, but yeah. So I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Hopefully it's a lot more exciting, I guess. But yeah.